What's up, everyone? Welcome to Double Up with Astro, and I would like to thank you guys for watching this video. Just wanted to hop on camera to give you another SMS Phone Leads review, and I'm going to show you a little bit in the back office how to operate this platform. And for those who don't know what SMS Phone Leads is, it's a text messaging marketing platform that you can use to market any primary business that you guys may have. And you can market any business, or you can market this if you don't have any other primary business to start off as. So this is the back office right here. This is to show you how you can get started with a one-time fee of $37. You can use this, and you can also upgrade to the upgrade upsell with $10. And it has different, they even got a new feature back here with the micro book. But most of all of this, the rest of it is optional. And you got buyers traffic, you got a traffic rotator, and you can have custom emails. So you could have all these sales for all and collect up to $205 just by promoting all of these products. And see, when you scroll down, as you see, it says the money from just 37 one-time sale. So it's a lot you can do with this program. So I'm gonna take you here in these tabs at the top to show you what it all includes into the SMS Phone Leads. They have a quick starting guide right here. So if you want to get started and want to know more about the platform, they got a couple videos here with you can play, showing you about the company, showing you about the two-step funnels that they have. You could buy additional credits, because with this platform you need credits in order to receive and send out messages. So I'm going to show you the products that they have. They have the two-step funnel. They also have the SMS blaster. They have 5 emails that you can send. Partner secrets, I guess that's with more so people that's a part of the program. They can all help out. Y'all all help each other to get leads. They have ringless voicemail, where you can send voicemails to your prospects that opt in, and they don't even have to, you don't even have to be next to your phone. So that's something that's very, very automated that you can have. They also have where you can buy your credits. You can buy additional numbers so you can promote different opportunities with. So that's very, very, very powerful. And here you go right here where they show you, how to put. It says sorry, but it appears that I don't know how to have it. Okay, it's a one-time offer. Okay, so if you did purchase the $10 fee when you first get that, you could pretty much have that there, show that there. But which I didn't purchase the $10 product upsell, but that's how you get it from there. Okay, so now here's where you can send out your own customized voicemail. So you can select which number you have. I have a couple different numbers that pulls up. You see right here that you can select. And right when you scroll down, you have your warm-up message. This is pretty much when the prospect first open up, or he or she calls your particular number. They will hear a warm-up message. You have a first message, so you can have something that you can record. You can upload a voice message to be able to send out to your prospects. So you pretty much directing them to whatever you want them to do to get to your offer. And you just pretty much go through the prompts. You have them to go through the prompts, and you can have your leads be sent to a certain message, whatever message of your choice. They can be able to receive that message, and once they continue whatever the virtual assistant tells them to do, it will redirect them to your opportunity. So that's very, very powerful that they have that with this system. And you can also, let's see, SMS Vault. This is more training here in the back office. This is more training that you can see. So in case you want to learn, like stuff like how to continue the conversation, they have a video. You also can have ways to make sales into the future. So, you just got to scroll all the way down. There's plenty of training here back here in the back office of SMS Phone Leads. You also have an area where you can see where the text messages is coming in. They have a number. They also have the message that whatever the prospect says to you, they have that. And you know, you go delete, you know, anything you don't want in here in the back office. So, you know, this is very, very powerful as well. Let's see. And this is the interactive phone funnel. And you can send out to at least 3 opportunities at one time. And the prospect will have a choice to select which opportunity they want, you know, to get involved with your program. So that's very, very powerful. So here with the SMS Phone Leads, you could do so much with it. You could use this for any primary business that you have, like I said before. If you would like to get started with me today, the link in the description will be below. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos, tips, and tricks. And I definitely will get you back there, you know, will help you out with your marketing journey. I also have training of my own that I use that I can help you guys with. So, like I said before, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. This is Double Up with Astro. I'll see you guys on the next video.